back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
All right, race fans, it is racing time. Up first is our KCAR class. All Crown Vics, you should be coming to the staging area. All Crown Vics, you're needed in the staging area. And they are green. Leading that pack in the 34 car is Eli Richardson. Followed behind him in the 83 of Colton Serber, the number 9 Declan Quillen, and number 69 Madison Dunford. First one back to the flag stand is the number 34 of Eli Richardson. With 4 laps down, your race leader. Spin on the back stretch, spin on the back stretch. Looks like the 69 of Madison Dunford will bring out the first caution of the K-Cars. Looks like we will be going green flag racing again, coming out of turn number 4. With the number 34 of Eli Richardson still be your race leader. Followed behind him in the 83 of Colton Serber, and then Declan Quillen in that number 9 in 3rd spot. All Crown Vics, you're needed in the staging area. All Crown Vics, we need you in the staging area now. Looks like 2 to go with your race leader still, the number 34 of Eli Richardson. Followed behind is Colton Serber, Declan Quillen, and Madison Dunford. All Crown Vics, you should be in the staging area. All Crown Vics. White flag is out. White flag is out for the 34 of Eli Richardson. 1 lap to go. Will be green-white checkered, race fans. Green-white checker for the KCARs. We've got to fight for that number 1 spot, but it looks like Eli Richardson's going to hold it off with the white flag. One more turn. Is Colton Serber going to make his move? And for the last time, going into turn number 3, coming into 4. Looks like your race winner will be the 34 of Eli Richardson, followed behind Colton Serber, Declan Quillen, and then Madison Dunford to bring up your 4.
American All-Star Series B main, Dirt Ridge TV B main feature. Come on down, come on down. Dirt Ridge TV B main, come on down here. We are ready for you guys to be in the chute. We are ready for you guys to be in the chute. Thank you very much. Also, the American All-Star Series B mains, we are ready for you for the first one. Tim, you have your Crown Vics here to call. We'll give it back to you.
All right. All Crown Vics, you should be in the... Do the driver interview here for our KCARs, the top 3.
Ready? Yes, sir. And what's your name? You know it?
Eli. Yep.
Eli?
Yep, I know it.
Okay. Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
You want somebody up here with you? All right. This young man, look, winning here. Hold this, please. And what's your name?
Eli Richardson.
And where do you live?
Chihaya, Virginia.
Well, you answered all that. You did a good job tonight, and you really drove with it. What do you know, there were people back there actually wanting to pass you, but you just kept going. Why couldn't they catch you?
Just I stayed smooth.
All right, you did a good job. Congratulations. Well, you really did, you were getting close to this car, and I'm sure you had a good time. And let's see, tell me your name.
Colton Serber,
And you're from
Sugar Grove, Virginia.
Well, you did an excellent job. Did you have a good time?
Yeah, I did until I popped the wall, but I ain't going to let that wall take me out, so I just cranked it back in second. I was gone.
Good job, then. You're a race car driver, so that's good.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. See you next week.
See you next week.
All right, let's see. Am I talking to you?
Huh?
Thank you, you got it. All right, here you go.
My name is Declan Quill, and I'm out of Rural Treat, Virginia. I'd like to thank RNC Towing, Klein's Towing. I'd like to thank Dad Paul. I'd like to thank Charlie, D&D Auto, Jackie, Adam, Jeffro, Amanda, Harper, Kaylee, and everybody that come out and watch me, and especially Destiny. Jax? Who's Jack? Oh, Jack Billings. I didn't. Hope to see y'all next week. Bye-bye.
All right, good job. Thank you all very much. Just look at these. These people are going to be here for years and years and years, so we're very fortunate having this. Starting out really young. Thank you very much.
All right, race fans, that was our KCAR class, and congratulations again to the number 34 of Eli Richardson for bringing home that checkered